Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SketchUp for Beginners. In this video, we will learn how to download SketchUp extensions for free. Let's start the video. Go to Google Chrome browser, search Sketchucation. Click on the first link. After the site is opened, you need to make Sketchucation ID for logging into the website. After logging, click on the plugin store and search for the extension you need and download it. After downloading, go to Extensions at the top, click on the Extension Manager. Once the Extension Manager is open, click on Install Extensions at the bottom. Browse the downloaded extension and open it. Now you can see your downloaded extension on your screen. Let's see if it's working or not. Good, the extension is working nicely. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends for more amazing content.